It's welcome, baby.
All right, y'all, so I'm trying to put this bed frame together. It's supposed to be one that sits kind of low, so it's gonna look like this picture right here. And I just see numbers everywhere, girl, like just numbers. So let's see, 4 3 4 5 6 8 3 4, like numbers just everywhere. So I'm gonna try to do my best and line everything up like it is on the picture, and hopefully we can just kind of get this bed situated. All right.
It's welcome, baby. 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 It's welcome, baby.
Load up the Drake. Fuck it, I'm making them pay. It's high, but niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Set out here having his way. Way out here having his way. And like the third me go out. Take. Yeah. Now that I'm thinking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over they face.
Not to be ignorant, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy, but I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Ain't been on earth ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of state. Ever since birth, my mama told me that they gon' act cool, but they really hate. I know my worth, so you ain't getting no thirst if you talking about a little cake. Make them say church, when they see clarity, diamonds and stones in my Jesus face. Ain't gotta run, cause it's not a race.
Hey, shit done changed. Billionaires talk to me different when they see my pay stuff from Lucian Grange. Told myself that I would get through this verse, and I'm not gonna mention the plane. But look at the plane. The fuck are we saying? Yeah. What? Fuck are we saying? Big 81, but I don't own a Harley. I ride a Mercedes for shame. Hey, it's me and Lil Harley. We wrecking this shit, then we about to go link with the game. Hey, and like the clock on the wall of your mama house, I do not have time to hang. Please don't reach out to me, think watching too much of Stephen and got to me versus too easy. I'm serving them up by the threes. I'm playing pool and the pool just connects to the beach. I've been too solid to ever have stripes on my sleeves. You get what I mean?
All right, y'all, so this is how the bed turned out. I am in love with how low it is. Like, I don't know if, am I the only one that feels like it's just something about a low bed that I just really love. And I wanted to do like some palettes, but I ended up running across this base and I'm like, you know what, I want that. So I'm going for like low boho chic type bed, and I thought that this would be the perfect frame for my mattress. All right, so now I'm just go ahead and put these little stickies on the end. Now this is to keep the mattress in place. You just put 4 on each side and you can just throw your mattress right on top. You don't need the box spring or nothing. I'm so over the box spring. So we're gonna put these little stickies on there and we are gonna be done. This is how it looks on the picture. So you just put 4 on each side.
Shoving this shit in their face. Then I go put that boy right in this play. They know that I'm having my way. I was 17 on the song with Dre. It's like an eviction notice when we dropping. Get up. Cause niggas get moved out they space. Move. 2.5 was going on 3, but fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. Not to be ignorant, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy, but I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Ain't been on earth ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since birth, my mama told me that they gon' act cool, but they really hate. I know my worth, so you ain't getting no thirst if you talking about a look cake. Make them say church, when they see clarity, diamonds and stones in my Jesus face. Ain't gotta run, cause it's not a race. Go!
Load up the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas want.
Oh my God, y'all, I freaking love it. It's a little uneven right there, but whatever. It's a one-man job, but I did it, y'all. I did it. All right, so here is the full view. I got the bed in 6 inches and, well, I got the mattress in 6 inches and the bed frame in 6 inches as well, because I wanted to sit really low. And look how low it is. It's like right below the window, which I love. You don't have to put a box spring on this at all. You can just throw your mattress on top and you are good to go. All right, y'all, I am so exhausted. Thank you so much for tuning in to this vlog. I will see you in the next one.
I'm having my way. Set out here having his way. Quay out here having his way. And like the third me go out. Take off.